Okay, hello friends from all over the world. This is the booth for Binax. I am Ang Li. I'm the Managing Director of Binax Machinery. Welcome to the Smart Factory of Binax at All In Print. Here we are showing the latest technology with the latest post-press equipment for book binding and also paperback making machines. On the other hand, we also have software solutions for the complete digital factories. So in the next few minutes, we will introduce the newest product from the Binax range one by one. Now comes the focus of our stand. This is the Galaxy Max binder. This is the fully automatic make-ready high-end premium perfect binders. It has a very flexible functions. It can connect with the gathering machine. It can also connect with the digital printing machine. Here we are showing one of the configurations on this stand, which is connecting with the gathering machine. If you follow me, we have a 450E model for our fully automatic thickness gauge gathering machine with 6 pockets. With the gathering machine, the side change is fully automatic. It is in line with our 6-clamp Galaxy Max perfect binder. With such a small perfect binder, we are one of the few companies in the world who can provide fully automatic perfect binding at the speed of 2,000 books per hour with a very compact configuration. Okay, if you follow me, what we are showing here is the gate-folded production. So with this small digital binder, we can do a gate-folded books within one go. The machine is a very heavy-duty machine. It can produce the same quality, book quality, the same as the big binding line. So you can see that the book are finished already with gatefold ready. And the next step, we will have to have a front cut machine to do front cut and then stack the books and to do the side cut. So if you follow me, we will show you the latest technology for the front cut trimmer. We go this way. So you can see from here that the book does the upper and the end part of the covers is lifted, and then the front cut is down on the book. If you come over here to take a deeper look, the book coming directly from the book binder, and it goes here into the, we call the Blues 100E with fully automatic make ready to make the front cut. And once the book is cut front, it goes into the stacker to stack the books together. And now comes to the final process, which is the cutting the two sides of the book. This is also our latest technology. We call it the Jazz 100E. We actually name all our cutters using music. So blues and jazz and bossa nova. Yes. So this book, this trimmer is a heavy-duty trimmer with 100 stack height and 50 cuts per minute. And you can see the book are already cut and with very superior book formation and cutting quality. And you can see that this is the final book. So with the gate-folded production, with a very compact configuration, you can do gate-folded production at 2,000 books per hour at one go with very economic investment. And the final thing I want to show on this product is our digital twin. So we have our software team. So come over here to take a look at this one. So we have the digital twin here, where all the products we are showing here are simultaneously updated using our latest IoT technology. So you can see that back to the product I just talked about. We have the gathering machine, we have the Galaxy Max, we have the Blues front cut, and we have the Jazz 100E. You can see the status of the machine, you can see the speed of the machine at the same time. Meanwhile, you can also track the job orders and the important parameters of the machine, so that when you combine hardware and software together, you can realize Smart Factory Industrial 4.0.